So if you are interested, it's next steps to work with us is pretty straightforward. Our team does a very good job in a 60 to 90-minute meeting with you to run through a consultation and understand what your biggest priorities are. And then our team takes some time to evaluate your process and document it all at no cost. And often we're able to flip a first revision technical specification, a quote, within a week. So you know if it's within your budget or how much you need to budget for, and or if we need to expand or shrink the scope to meet your budget. Typically, and most of our projects go live in 6 to 8 weeks.